Hello again. Let's make it short again, shall we? This is a quick tutorial to show you how to manage your local server and make modifications. All we need is Beekeeper Studio, a tool for managing our database. So let's go and download it from the official website. You may need to enter your email, but other than that you should be good to install it. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's make sure Docker Desktop is started and running. Navigate to Containers, and if it's not started already, turn on your container. Next, let's open Beekeeper Studio. Select New Connection from the drop-down and choose Postgres. From here, we are going to fill in some details, starting with Postgres as our user and dev12345 as our default password. Then we will type BYM as our default database, give the connection a name, pick a color if you want, and click Save. Finally, let's connect. From here, you will see your BYM database on the left-hand side as a drop-down. Clicking it will show all the available tables. If you right-click a table, you can select View Data, and as you can see, it shows me my user account. If we do the same for the Save table, we can view all the data for a single save. We can right-click just above the columns, choose Open Column Filter, click on the All selection and filter down to what we're looking for, in this case credits. Now we can go ahead and modify this number by right-clicking on it and selecting Edit in Modal. Change this to whatever you want, but make sure not to go too high. Then click Minify and Apply, and importantly, apply in the bottom right. As you can see, it applies the number to our account. Try not to have too much fun, monsters. Now for today's last lesson, I'm going to show you how to keep your local server up to date with the latest and greatest changes, so you can always be in sync with the main project. So similar to the last video, we are going to run 3 quick commands from GitHub Desktop. These will be cd server, docker compose down, and docker compose up -- build. So let's do it. Back in GitHub Desktop, we will first sync our changes by always clicking this Fetch Origin button. This will get the latest changes from the main project. Then we will navigate to Repository and click on the Pull button to get the latest changes, and select Open in Command Prompt. This will open a terminal. From here we run the 3 commands: cd server, docker compose down, and finally docker compose up -- build. Once again, this will take a minute to rebuild the entire image and apply the latest changes, so give it a minute until you see the text BYM refitted in the terminal. And there it is. Did you have issues during this tutorial? No problem. Our Discord and troubleshooting guide is linked in the description.